Matt, good afternoon. Yeah, look, it would be easy to park it in the too hard basket, but of course we can't, because quite clearly the trade impact, or the impact of the trade war so far, is certainly having an impact on global growth, and we're certainly seeing that here in Australia as well. So you definitely can't ignore it. It is very difficult to try and trade and predict it, obviously, on a day-to-day basis. We're seeing obviously quite a bit of pickup in volatility. It's clearly good news to see some more soothing language coming out from both sides of the US and Chinese trade delegations. But we've heard this before. Quite clearly what we really do need to see is to see what happens after or through this October 10 meeting, to see if we can get some hard negotiating actually start to take place, and that will give the markets some degree of comfort. If not, once again, the markets will be expecting to see the trade war again continuing on its momentum in terms of negatively impacting growth.
As an investor, how do you position then ahead of any likely resolution, which could, in fact, still be a ways off? Yes, we have the October 10 meetings, but some talk that this could be an issue right up until the 2020 presidential election.
Well, there's a number of flags for us, definitely, in regards to sort of looking at it from a macro perspective. And obviously, we're going through a growth slowdown around the world. But if we're looking at other indicators, the negative indicators obviously is the inverted yield curve. But outside of that, corporate earnings look okay. Commodity prices are holding up. The yield spreads also are indicating that we're not heading towards a recession anytime soon. So for us, looking at risk assets still is probably the main focus for us. We're not yet at an inflection point of going extremely defensive, but we're moving more defensively for clients over this last 12 months or so. And that's probably going to continue. Now, it's a 50-50 chance whether we get a resolution on trade at this point in time. So that's almost unpredictable for us. So we really need to see some of the results come out. It may well be that obviously if we do see some trade results and successful negotiations, market will react positively. I'd much rather be seeing those the details of that and then making a decision on where to be investing rather than trying to second guess.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.